first to believe in you, and I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that, Hiccup. He just made it
easier. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
But I still have you.
Oh, how dare you! Oh, no, you are not getting it. She's never been gone all day like this. I got you. Is he in there? Is anyone out there? No. Astrid, you have me. No matter what. The truth is, obviously I'm glad you're here. There will always be a Hiccup in Astrid. Always.
Hiccup, please breathe. Please breathe. Gagger and Mala have known each other a few months and they can't stand to be apart. We've known each other our whole lives, Hiccup, and I've never felt further away from you.
My hands are tied, my body bruised. She caught me with nothing to win or nothing to
I'm with you.
and to give yourself away.
I know.
And to give.
Looks like it's you and me then.
Always.
And where you go, I go.
Thank you for everything.
And to give yourself.
So, you two are a thing, right? I've seen the way you two are together.
You did it.
And to give.
I'm really proud of you.
You need to stay with us. Sure you're okay? I can't imagine
In a world without you in it either.
I could get used to it. Deal?
Deal. Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
I've been taking you for granted. I have, and I realize that today. I couldn't have done any of this without you, Astrid. Not the Dragon Riders or the Edge. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you. You, just being here, with me, is the only gift I need.